How to select your store for pickup on Pop Mart. In this video, I will guide you on how to select your store for pickup on Pop Mart. For this, open up any web browser. Now search for Pop Mart, then head over to popmart.com. Make sure to log into your account. On the home page, you will find the option of store pickup. Click on that. Now, you get to select your store location from here. Simply click on this option. If you want more details, click on this I button. Here you can find all the store details such as store hours. Now, you simply want to select your preferred store. After that, search for the item you want to purchase, then click on that. Now you can also see the store pickup policy from here. After that, click on Add to Bag option. Now click on the bag icon at the top. Select Store Pickup. Now select the items that you want to check out. Then click on Confirm and Checkout option. If you have a coupon code, enter it here. Then click on Proceed to Pay option. Now click on Confirm. Here select your payment method. If you have selected credit card, enter all of the details. Then click on the Pay option. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.